Hi, welcome back my friend again, and I'm sure you already started feeling good using this short technique. I want you to practice these few techniques which you learned now in these last two lessons and use it regularly. Now, in hypnosis we use some more techniques here, so I'm going to give you two bonus exercises here which we use a lot while doing therapy and personal counseling with the people who have a discomfort. Now, first is we ask them to close their eyes, or you can close your eyes if you have a discomfort. And now your mind is powerful. I want you to increase the discomfort. Increase a little bit more now. Increase it more. That's right. If you can increase it more, you have the power to decrease it now. So bring it down now. Decrease it more. Use your imagination, decrease it more till the point becomes zero. Keep doing the exercise till it goes to zero. Use your imagination. You can even feel a scale in front of you. The increasing was high and now bringing it down to zero. Use your imagination and start feeling good. This is a very powerful exercise. You can do it in self-hypnosis. It becomes 10 times more powerful. Now, another technique is, wherever the discomfort is, we have done this in many times in our one-to-one sessions. Somebody says, I have a discomfort in my shoulder, left shoulder. So I ask them to close their eyes and I ask them to be moving it down to the fingertips. And with the imagination, move that and then we remove it. So now it is out of your body and you're feeling wonderful. Or sometimes we ask them to move from left shoulder to the right shoulder. And it happens, and then you move it. Move it from this part of the body and out of the body. These techniques are using with self-hypnosis become 10 times more powerful. Now, another technique which we teach them is called glove anesthesia in my seminars, where we ask the person, you can do it once you practice self-hypnosis at least 10-15 times. Watching this video, you can do it of your own. Now listen carefully. Using hypnosis for removing pain is not very good all the time. Why? Because the pain is basically a message to your brain that something is wrong. So get it checked up. In emergencies like accidents, going to a surgeon and things, using these techniques are very powerful. My friend, this technique is very powerful which you are going to learn. This is the most powerful technique which we teach in my seminars also, my training programs, and to one-to-one session. In this technique, you make a part of your hand, your left hand or right hand, completely heavy, numb and wooden-like. And once the feeling is there, you transfer that feeling to any part of your body where you need to go for surgery or anesthesia or anything else. Now remember my friend, this technique has to be used only when you are with a doctor or a surgery or something going to happen. Otherwise, don't use it. Now, this technique requires a little bit of practice. You have to practice self-hypnosis at least 10 times so you go deeper and the result comes faster. And plus, you need to do this exercise at least 6 times to really have a grip on this technique and have a full, wonderful sensation of this numb and heavy feeling. So, my friends, get ready, close your eyes, take a deep breath and just relax. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, relax more deeply now. And now I'll count from 10 to 0. With each and every descending number, double your relaxation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. Now I want you to put your mind focused on your right hand. Be aware of your right hand. Focus your concentration on your right hand and use your imagination. Imagine, feel, believe and pretend that your right hand is becoming heavy, numb, wooden-like. Heavy, numb, wooden-like. Think of a time in your past when your hand went out to sleep and notice how you felt. Bring that feeling. Or if you had any kind of anesthesia or injection or local anesthesia given to you, think about and how you felt that time. bring that feeling into your right hand right now, from the fingertips to the shoulders, up to the shoulders. Feel this wonderful feeling coming into your hand, becoming heavy, numb and wooden-like. Now I'll count from 10 to 0. With each and every descending number, double this feeling of numbness in your right hand. 10, 9, feeling increasing. It's becoming more and more numb, more and more heavy, more and more wooden-like. 8, 7, 6, 5. At the count of 0, you may even feel that your right hand does not belong to you. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All the discomfort is gone from your right hand. Your right hand is now completely heavy, numb and wooden-like. And now you have the ability to transfer that numbness to any part of your body that needs healing or require numbness. You can transfer. Right now, I want you to lift your right hand and place it on your right side of your face or your cheeks. And now imagine this feeling of numbness, heavy wooden-like feeling transferring to that part of your body, and your hands are becoming normal, but the part of your face, the right side of your cheek, are becoming completely numb and wooden-like. Now at the count of 3, you will open your eyes. When you open your eyes, you will find that your right hand become normal, but right side of your face has become completely numb and wooden-like. 1, 2 and 3. Open your eyes and now pinch and check both the sides. If you feel it different, it is done. If you feel a little bit difference also, it is done. You need to practice this at least 10 times so you master it. So in emergencies, you can feel that numbness in your hand immediately by thinking about it and transfer it to any part of your body where it is required. You can use it for small surgery, injections. You can use it for small kind of, when you go to a dentist, you can use it. Painless childbirth also people use it. I have used it myself for removing one of my teeth using the same method, and I felt fantastic. So my friend, I want you to use this technique carefully, precautions, because the certain pains are dangerous. If you use this particular technique to remove your stomach pain or headaches, never do it, because there may be you're blocking the pain message to go to your brain. But that doesn't mean the problem is cured. Problem is still there. It may be appendicitis, you may get into trouble, or in the head. Don't do it. Use it only when you are in emergencies or when you are close to the doctor or surgeon. This is a very powerful technique in hypnosis. My friends, you have learned a lot of techniques in this workshop. Today, in this training program, I want you to use each technique step by step. Step by step, first learn self-hypnosis, then change the words what you use from pain to discomfort, and then the 4 techniques using becoming aware of your discomfort, and then using the blue light energy, then using imagery for healing, the size, shape, and then the gas balloon, and then increasing and reducing the discomfort, and then transferring one part of your body to other part of your body, and finally taking out of your body. So my friends, we have learned many techniques here. Use all of them one by one. Whichever suits you well, use it regularly. And the final technique of glove anesthesia we call in hypnosis, this is to be used with a warning. It is to be with a warning and carefully. Don't use it too much and don't transfer to the part of the body that actually needs healing. Go to a doctor. If the doctor says or surgeon says you can use it, then only use it. But in emergencies, you got some kind of accident or you went to a dentist, you know they are going to put an injection before that. If you use it, it will be fantastic. So I wish you all the success, my friend. Any more thing, I have a lot of videos on this particular place where you have seen this video. You can watch for my other videos, and looking forward for more videos. I am looking forward to seeing you personally. If you want, you can visit my website pradeepagarwal.com, www.pradeepaggarwal.com. Now my name is already there on the video. You can type www.pradeepagarwal.com. You can go to my website and you can see more videos and more materials Thank you very much. I'm sure you learned something powerfully. Tell your friends, and if you're watching this video, write a good review and good remarks. Thank you very much.